Best DIY overnight face masks to hydrate your skin. Say good morning to soft and supple skin with these simple DIY overnight solutions. You might think of overnight face masks as a skincare fad. However, they give a whole new meaning to your beauty sleep. How? Well, your body heals and repairs itself while you sleep. This is also when your epidermal cells undergo healing. You need to provide them with the potent ingredients for better healing. What is an overnight face mask? Is it different from regular face masks? Overnight face masks are masks that you apply right before going to bed and wash off only after you wake up. The main objective of an overnight face mask is to boost hydration and help the skin repair itself by providing nourishing ingredients throughout the night. You have to leave these masks on your face overnight and wash off the next morning. 1. Coconut oil face mask. Coconut oil is the superfood your skin needs if it is dry and irritated. Applying coconut oil on your face can reduce transepidermal water loss, calm your skin, reduce inflammation, improve hydration, treat sun damage, and prevent infection. However, if you have oily and acne-prone skin, stay away from coconut oil. Directions. Mix a teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil or cold-pressed coconut oil in your favorite night cream. Massage it on your face and wash off the next morning. 2. Watermelon sleeping mask. Watermelon is not only refreshing, but it also pampers your skin. Watermelon contains lycopene that helps prevent skin damage caused by harmful free radicals. Directions. Grate a cup of watermelon cubes, the red flesh, and strain the juice. Using a cotton ball, apply it on your face and let it dry before going to bed. 3. Turmeric and milk face mask. Turmeric milk is a popular Ayurvedic remedy for many health issues. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it works as a powerful antioxidant that reduces acne and photo-aging and improves alopecia and skin health. The lactic acid present in milk enhances skin texture and firmness. Directions. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a tablespoon of raw milk. Use a cotton ball to apply it to your face, just the way you apply toner. Let it dry completely before going to bed. Make sure to use old pillow covers as turmeric can soil them. 4. Cucumber face mask. Cucumber is a superfood not only for your body but also for your skin. Cucumber juice has a cooling effect on the skin. It not only boosts skin hydration levels but also reduces inflammation, soothes sunburn, improves the appearance of wrinkles, and brightens your skin. Directions. Extract the juice of half a cucumber and apply it with a cotton ball on your face. 5. Olive oil mask. Olive oil is high in phenolic compounds, flavonoids and phenolic alcohols, linoleic acid, oleic acid, and other antioxidants that may promote dermal reconstruction, reduce oxidative stress, and have anti-inflammatory benefits. Directions. Mix a few drops of virgin olive oil in your favorite night cream and massage it on your face. 6. Aloe vera and vitamin E face mask. Aloe vera contains antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, along with amino acids, salicylic acid, lignin, and enzymes. It reduces inflammation, promotes collagen synthesis, and protects your skin from the damaging effect of UV rays. Directions. Squeeze the oil from a vitamin E capsule and mix it with aloe vera gel. Apply it to your face and neck.